ሰላም ልጆች እንዴት ናችሁ? የተረት እናት ተመልሳ መጥታለች በቻናሏን የኛ ልጆች ፕሮግራም ላይ ያው እንደተለመደው ተረት ላነብላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። ሁለት ተረቶችን አንብቤላችሁ ነበር። እነዛን ተረቶች ታስታውሳላችሁ? እንደምታስታውሱ እርግጠኞች ናችሁ፣ ምክንያቱም በጣም ስማርት ልጆች እንደሚያዳምጡኝ ስለማቅ ማለት ነው። ዛሬ ደግሞ ሌላ ተረት ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። አብራችሁኝ እንድትሆኑ እንደ ሁልጊዜው ጋብዛለሁ። መልካም ጊዜ። የዛሬዋ ተረት ርዕስ The Little Tree's Journey ትላለች። The Little Tree's Journey. Once upon a time, in a cozy little forest, there lived a small sapling named Sprout. Sprout was a very tiny tree who dreamed of growing big and strong. However, a wise old oak tree noticed Sprout's sadness. Little one, the oak tree said, in a gentle voice, your journey has just begun. You may feel small now, but your strength lies in your determination. With those encouraging words, Sprout felt a spark of hope, determined to grow tall and strong. Sprout continued to drink up the rain and soak up the sunlight. Are you with me? Season passed and Sprout faced many challenges. Sometimes it was too hot and other times it was too cold. But through it was all, Sprout stayed strong and kept reaching for the sky. But one sunny morning, a storm came rushing through the forest. The wind howled and the rain poured down heavily. Poor Sprout swayed and bent in the strong wind. When the storm finally passed, Sprout felt a bit crooked and sad. One day, as the sun shone brightly, a family of birds flew by. They were looking for a place to build their nest. They noticed a Sprout standing tall and felt it was the perfect spot. Your branches are small but strong. Just what we need, chirped the birds happily as they built their nest in Sprout's branches. Sprout felt so happy and proud to help the birds. It realized that being strong wasn't just about size, but about being helpful and kind. Years passed. Sprout grew taller and broad, becoming a beautiful tree. It had learned that even the smallest tree could make a big difference in the world. So, what did you learn about the story, kids? ከዚህ ተረት በጣም ብዙ እንደምትማሩ ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። ትንሽ መሆን አለመቻልን አያሳይም። በጣርን በሞከርን ቁጥር እዚህ ዓለም ላይ ትልቅ ዲፈረንስ ማምጣት እንደምንችል ትማሩበታላችሁ። ስላዳመጣችሁኝ እጅግ በጣም አመሰግናለሁ። እንደ ሁሉ ጊዜው ማንበብን ልምዳችሁ አድርጉ እንዳትረሱ እሺ። እኔም የተረት እናት ሆኜ እዚህ ስለመጣው በጣም ደስ ብሎኛል። በቀሪው የቻናል ዋን የኛ ልጆች ፕሮግራም እንድትዝናኑ ጋብዛለሁ። መልካም ጊዜ ይሁንላችሁ። ሰላም ሁኑ።